I'm Chris Meyer. Join me and the Legendary Customs team as we take ordinary rides and craft them into legendary customs. Are you recording?
No.
All right, today has been a
Really
day.
tall.
We're making the roll bar, and obviously it's custom. They don't make these. And we're getting it in level, which is a challenge when the floor bed, nice thick steel, but it's like this. So then let's do the one in the back corner.
Okay.
Tell me when I'm good. Okay, so this has to go back. So we're here, put this in. We've been working all day long on a roll bar. We haven't, Nate has. He's been doing awesome. Designed it, we DCA fabricated it, now we have to weld it together and get it mounted in. First thing you had to do is each one of these plates, because of this box is actually a homemade box from the gentleman before us, the sides and the bottom, and he actually did a very good job. But because of the welds and how it was put together, each one of the plates that holds the roll bar down had to be milled out.
I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can.
Okay, milled out to go over the lip. So that's done. Now we're putting it in. Now my wife, after us working all day, comes in, starts videography, and has all of these questions. It's okay. Boy, you should see your face right now. Are you really saying this? Are you really saying this out loud? Anyway, and she's like, well, how are you going to keep this from doing that? Well, the real answer is we have a bar that comes down from here and goes, and it'll be bolted to the ground here in Nate's hand. My answer was, Kathy is going to go to Washington with this truck, and she's going to sit in the back and hold it like a monkey in the trunk. And she doesn't know what a monkey in the trunk is. Now, I'm a kid of the 80s. A monkey in the trunk was a monkey that was put in the trunk that would have a crowbar or a big wrench that if somebody stole your car, you released the monkey from the trunk and it climbed up through the back seat and it beat the guy that stole your car. Kathy was going to be my monkey in the trunk, or Kathy in the bed or truck bed or whatever the hell. Kathy and the Willys. Anyway, she didn't understand it. She's only 2 years younger than I am.
The Trunk Monkey Theft Retrieval System. Because sometimes getting your car back is simply not enough. Another revolutionary idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group, pending approval by Department of Agriculture.
Have you ever heard of an F-up? Well, I did an F-up. What side of a transfer case is a GM or Chevy product? Driver's side, right? Every single time. Except for a 1990 Suburban. That's on the passenger side. So, a little bit of panic yesterday, and in a couple phone calls, Ben helped us out tremendously. He had a newer model. So 1990, it's on the passenger side. 2001 through 2007, you could order push button like I have in my Tahoe, or on the floor manual. He had 17 transfer cases. Only one of them was a manual shift. So we have what we need. We have the mock-up going right now, and we have this going off to Don's transmission hopefully tomorrow or Friday. They ordered the parts that they need. We are hooking this up to a 6L80E, which has been updated to heavy duty, which is a 32 spline versus 27. This is a 27 spline intake. It is being changed out to a 32 because these actually came on the 2500 and 3500 Chevys as a heavy duty transfer case. So it's literally just unbolt one part, bolt in the other. So they have that on the way. And what went as yesterday as a holy shit moment is today a back to normal business moment. So things are going great, getting together. The guys did awesome today. I am just finishing up one item, and then on to the next thing.
All right, we'll be blasting some parts because paint and powder coat is happening ASAP. And he is accurate. Not like he wouldn't be. Waiting on some fuel. Get the hell going here.
Fine. Also doing powerlifting. What? The 1955 Dirty Willys is coming along nicely. Today we finished up all welding, all fabrication, everything on this. Tomorrow we're going to clean up a little bit of the welds with a little bit of grinding here and there. Some of the old welds that the company before us did, clean those up. And this bad boy goes off to powder coating tomorrow. Earlier today, Nate was media blasting this whole thing one more time because it was sitting in the shop here for almost 3 weeks, and some of the areas that we welded, we had flash rust by them. So got all of that off. I am fighting so bad with myself to do high gloss black or a satin black, and I think it's going to have to be satin only because we don't want the frame to be the prominent part of the overall truck. So this will be satin. Everything on top will be high gloss. It'll be fine. I might end up doing the axles and the drop downs for the linkage, high gloss. But it's been a great week so far. A lot accomplished today.
All right, we got a couple things going on here. Doing the finishing body work on the welds on the box of the Willys. Look at that. We've got the roll bar that goes in the back, all powder coated and looking beautiful. Amazing. All of that stuff came in this morning. So here we go. We've got the frame of the Willys. Looking like a beast. Looking like a beautiful beast. There you go. That's awesome. Here's all of the other pieces all strapped and wrapped to a pallet for us. So the guys will be back up, taking that apart shortly.
We need 2 bolts, and I'm thinking that. Okay, 1 to each.
Taking that down by yourself?
I'm a man's man.
That's kind of scary.
I might be old, but I'm not smart. New pineapple.
Jesus.
Geraldine, I'll let you lead.
I am going. Gotta hit my bang. I'm just saying. This shit's good. I like it. It's not so bad for me. Anyway, going to get some 4-inch discs from the store. Obviously, this is no longer 4 inches. And we are doing some cutting and altering and adjusting and, you know what? Just a typical day. So anyways, headed to go get some more. All right, so I just came out of Menards. I got some grinding discs and I decided to just, I don't know, go with it. So we got 4 different types of blades: Gator blade, Performax, Master Force, and Gator. They all range in price from like $1.14 to almost $4 a piece, so we shall see. I think we've bought all of these different discs, actually, the grinding discs, in the past. And I don't know, we never took the time to decide which one is better. My guess is the one that costs $4 a piece is going to be better than the one that costs $1.14. That would be my assumption, but we are going to give it a whirl. I bought 2 discs of each different kind, and we are going to see which one performs the best at the shop. So anyways, something we should know, maybe something you're interested in. I don't know, but time shall tell. Plus I got a bag full of snacks. Snacks, and more snacks.
What are you doing to this, Jeff?
Well, when you work here for 2 years, you get a test, and you have to put this hood back together in an hour. I think I'm going to get fired.
Awesome.
Oh, shit.
Now we're prepping this to use it as a test. The Dirty Willy. Blank canvas.
Tomorrow, as you'll see, Zach's painting the axles right now. Tomorrow, if everything is dry, assembly will begin. We're still waiting for the tires and wheels, and as soon as those are mounted, we can make this a roller. But we're moving in the right direction. Jeff is prepping the canvas.
Prepping the rust?
The rusty canvas for our template.
He's sanding that rust really good.
Yeah. Awesome. Anyway, thanks for watching. Keep watching. A hell of a lot more to come. The Dirty Willys isn't so dirty underneath.